Survey analysis in Python. Welcome! Today we will learn how to use Python for basic survey analysis. Analyzing survey data helps find trends, discover patterns, and answer real questions. We will start with simple Python basics, and step-by-step build towards analyzing a sample survey. No experience needed, just curiosity. Let us begin. Running the cell now. Before we dive in, grab a notebook or open a text editor for practice. Get ready to type along. What is survey data? Survey data is information collected by asking people questions. We can collect answers about favorite foods, study habits, hobbies, and more. Analyzing this data can show us what most people like or need. Running the cell now. What type of data would you collect if you ran a survey? Jot down your ideas. Here we build a small group of sample survey responses. Each person's answers are stored in a dictionary inside a list. We can use this setup to analyze what our group likes or does not like. Let us print out everything to see what it looks like. Now we print a message introducing our data. Then we loop through every survey answer and show it on screen. Running the cell now. Try changing the colors or ages to what you want. What changes do you see? Let us quickly count how many people took our survey. We use the function len to get the length of our list. Finally, we print out the total. Running the cell now. Counting is the first step in any analysis. How would this change with more people? Why use lists and dictionaries? Lists let us store many answers in one place. Dictionaries let us label each answer neatly. This combo makes it easy to work with real survey data. Running the cell now. Would a list alone be enough for complex data? Try it out and notice the difference. Let us check the average age of our survey group. We start with an empty list to collect ages. For each person, we add their age to our list. Now we add up all the ages and divide by the number of answers. That gives us the average. Finally, we print it out. Running the cell now. Why do we use sum and len here? Try printing the ages list to see what it contains. Now let us find out which color is most popular. We create a dictionary to count how often each color appears. For each survey entry, we look at their favorite color. If this color is not in our dictionary, we start its count at 1. If we have already seen it, we add 1 to its total. After the loop, our dictionary shows how many people chose each color. Running the cell now. Can you code this with another type of answer, like favorite food? Give it a try. Next, let us make a list of only the people who enjoy pizza. We start with an empty list. We loop through each response and check if they like pizza. If their answer is true, we add their name to our list. This shows us who we should invite to our next pizza party. Running the cell now. What happens if you change likes_pizza to false for everyone? Try it and see what output you get. Sometimes we want to look only at people above a certain age. We ask you to enter an age limit with input. We make a new list for people older than that limit. For each entry, we compare their age to the limit. If they are older, we add their name to the list. We print the names we found. Running the cell now. Try running this with different numbers like 24 or 30 and see what changes. Sometimes survey data has missing answers. Let us add a new entry where favorite_color is missing. We want to collect colors, but skip missing ones. We loop through all entries. If someone wrote a color, we add it to our list. Finally, we print all the favorite colors, skipping the missing answer. Running the cell now. Missing data is common in real surveys. How would you handle other missing answers? Sometimes we find errors in data entry. Let us say Eva wanted to change her answer. We loop through and look for her name. Then we update her favorite color. Now we print out her answers to check the change. Running the cell now. Updating data lets you clean up and fix errors. Try making other updates. Sometimes we need to remove entries with missing or incorrect data. Here, we make a new list that does not include Frank. We print a message to show what remains. Then we display the updated survey data. Running the cell now. Knowing how to clean up data is key to good analysis. Simple built-in functions for analysis. Max finds the highest value. Minute finds the lowest value. Set removes duplicates. Let us apply these to our survey. Running the cell now. Built-in functions make your work easier and faster. Try them with other lists for practice. Let us quickly find out the oldest and youngest participant. We make a list of ages from all entries. The max function gives the highest age. The minute function gives the lowest age. Running the cell now. Which functions might help if you wanted only unique colors? Practice adding set. Let us find out what unique colors people like. We use set to remove any repeated colors. Now we print the list of colors only once each. Running the cell now. Sets are very useful for quick analysis. Try set on other answers. Sometimes we want to know the order of survey answers. With enumerate, we see both the position and the entry as we loop. This can help match people to their place in the data. Running the cell now. How could you use enumerate to show ages too? Add to the print line and check. List comprehensions help us write short, clear code. This single line does the same filter for pizza lovers as before. It builds a new list with less typing. Running the cell now. Try making a list of all names with age under 26. Use a comprehension. Let us sort the survey entries by age. We use sorted and tell it to look at the age key. This sorts from youngest to oldest. We print names and ages to check the result. Running the cell now. Sorting helps spot patterns. Try sorting by favorite _ color instead. Let us filter to find only people who answered no to pizza. We use a list comprehension and a not to get them. Now we see who prefers something else. Running the cell now. Change the condition to try filtering on color. For example, try blue fans. Let us bring all we have learned into a small project. We build a summary dictionary with total answers, the average age, and details about pizza and color. We use max to pick the color chosen most often. The pizza lovers value counts all who said yes to pizza. Finally, we print out each part of the summary. This is a quick, clear overview of our survey. Running the cell now. Practice prompt, add another summary item for the youngest participant. For the next part of our mini project, let us involve you. We let you type a color to search for in the survey. We count each time someone chose that color. After looping through all the data, we print how many people picked your color. Now you get to check the popularity of any color. Running the cell now. Like the project? Please like the video, leave a comment with your favorite color, and subscribe for more lessons. Sometimes entries may not have all the usual answers. We can use the get method to provide a safe backup answer. This helps avoid errors if favorite underscore color is missing. Now everyone gets a result. Running the cell now. Try changing an entry to remove favorite underscore color and run this code. It is easy to make mistakes when typing key names. If we use the wrong spelling, Python gives us a key error. Here, we use try and accept to catch this mistake. If there is a problem, we print out a friendly message. Running the cell now. If you ever see a key error, make sure your key names match exactly. Let us make a small stats table that shows all colors and their vote counts. We use a dictionary and the get method for safe counting. After collecting the numbers, we print them all out in a tidy way. Stats tables like this are great for sharing results with others. Running the cell now. Challenge: what other insights can you collect? Try making stats for age or pizza next. Challenge exercise. Try editing the code to analyze another question. For example, who is the youngest pizza lover? What is the most common first letter in participant names? Play and practice. The best way to learn is by doing. Running the cell now. If you complete a challenge, share your result in the comments. Let us all learn together. Recap. Today you learned how to store and view survey results, count and filter answers, handle missing data, use built-in Python functions for analysis, summarize and present survey findings. Survey analysis helps us understand the people around us and make better choices. Running the cell now. Keep exploring survey questions to see what more you can discover. Thank you for learning survey analysis. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment your favorite new skill, and subscribe for more Python lessons. Share it with friends who want to learn Python or do data analysis. Help others join in the fun. Happy coding and see you next time. Running the cell now.